Hello and welcome. It's Terry here for Tailored Expressions. Today's video I am sharing a card using some supplies from the new card making kit. Let's get started. To begin, let's go over the supplies. I am going to be using Roadmap background stamp, A2 postage stamp Stacklets, all together adventure icons, the insiders, inks in the colors Toffee, Cilantro, Honeydew Melon, Blueberry, Cherry Pop, and VersaMark Ink, liquid adhesive, press it tool, an anti-static powder tool, blending brushes, a white gel pen, as well as a brown alcohol marker. To begin, I am starting off with an A2 panel of sugar cube cardstock that I placed inside my stamping platform. I am inking up the Roadmap background stamp with VersaMark Ink. I did as well prep my card panel with an anti-static powder tool ahead of time to help with getting a cleaner image. I did have to do this a few times to get a good impression. Then going in with gold embossing powder, I poured it onto the inked area of the card panel. Now using my heat tool, I am heat setting the embossing powder until it's nice and melted. Okay, now it's time to add some color and interest to the roadmap. I really wanted it to look as realistic as possible, so I went in with colors that you can normally see on a simple map. I decided to use the colors Toffee, Honeydew Melon, and Cilantro. I started inking some of the areas using Toffee ink, then I went in with Honeydew Melon and blended that color alongside Toffee. I did the same thing with Cilantro ink. There really wasn't any rhyme or reasons for the placement of the ink blending. I am just having fun with blending the colors together. So after I was satisfied with the blending, I grabbed a microfiber cloth and I rubbed that over the panel to help grab all the ink that was sitting on top of the embossing powder. This helped brighten up the embossed area. Okay, now for the little details to put on the road maps. I first inked up all together Adventure Awaits icon with cherry ink. Then I rotated the panel in the stamping platform and inked up the same stamp using blueberry ink. Then using the coordinating dies, I ran that through my die cutting machine. Off screen, I used one of the Stacklets from A2 postage stamp and ran that through my die cutting machine with one of the insiders panel. I added liquid adhesive to the underside of some of the icons and adhered it to the roadmap. Before I added the sentiment onto the panel, I wanted to add a little bit more interest to the landscape of the roadmap. So I decided to go in with Toffee ink again, but this time with a heavier hand, I applied more pressure and ink to some of the areas. Using my paper trimmer, I trimmed down the top of the sentiment. Then going in with foam squares, I popped that onto the roadmap on the upper right hand side. Here's a technique that I like to use when I'm struggling with getting the placement right. I like to use the corner of my scoreboard to help guide my sentiment in place. I first put the background panel against the corner first, then use the sentiment and butt that up against the top of the scoreboard to make sure that it was aligned perfectly with the bottom panel. I glued on the cute little airplane icon on the sentiment and adhered the entire panel to a piece of Mocha cardstock. And then I adhere that to a top folding card base. And here is when I realized that for some reason my measurements was completely off. But I decided to go ahead and glue the panel down anyways. But I made sure to adhere it to the upper part of the card base. Then I went in with my paper trimmer and trimmed down the excess on the bottom to fix the mistake. Before finishing it off, I added details with brown alcohol marker and a white gel pen. And that is it. I hope you found some inspiration with this video and are able to find some time to craft. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of all future videos. Okay, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.